Hi honeys, how's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. Okay, I don't know if, I know a couple people have noticed it. On my channel, under my videos, YouTube has finally embedded the super thanks button up under my videos. And I want to thank, first of all, my daughter, Nicole. She was the first one to hit that super thanks. I think it's in the shape of a heart. She hit that and she gave me some money. She was the first one I told about it. And I didn't really know it until that she had given anything until a couple weeks ago. I finally saw it. And then somebody else named Frances, another honey, I'm not mentioning last names, she hit that button and gave me some money, y'all. So I want to thank Nicole and I want to thank Frances for blessing me. Thank you so much. And whatever you bless me with will be put into making videos. As y'all know, I'm buying wigs all the time. I'm buying makeup. I'm buying stuff. As you know, I like to shop. But anyway, thank you, Frances, and thank you, Nicole, for hitting that super thanks button. Thank you so much. I first started noticing the super thanks on other people's videos. So I asked YouTube, I said, how come I don't have it? They said it wasn't in my area yet or something like that. So then they let me know about a month ago that I qualified. So it's under my videos, y'all. Okay. So this is a chit chat, a little chit chat video. Okay, somebody asked me about this Freestyle Libre 2. How's it doing me? So I put a black patch on today to cover it up. Basically, it's a sugar diabetes monitoring device that you put on and you wear it for 14 days, and you can either use your iPhone or you can use a reader. I chose to use a reader. I had to buy this. I put a cover on it. So I'm going to show you how it works. They asked me how it was doing. How it was doing me. So, fine. Let me show you. I turned it on. That's the way it looks when I turn it on. And I'm going to check my glucose. Did y'all hear that beep? 99. That's good. That's good. And it has a graph on here, how it's been up and down. So I found out that if I get up in the morning and I don't eat, then my sugar is high. If I eat something and wait maybe an hour and a half later, then my sugar level drops lower, you know, to where it needs to be. So I love it. It tells me how many more days I got with this thing on. It's like a little white button. And the other one I had on, I had put it on this arm. And it no longer worked after, I think, the 9th day. And so I took it off. And once you take it off, then, I mean, you can't put it back on. It's not reusable. You have to put another one on. And I do have another one. But, no, I contacted the company and told them this thing stopped working before time. So they got my information and they sent me out another one. So that's the one I'm wearing now. And they had me box up the one I took off and send it to them. So it wasn't no problem. They sent me the box and the hazard bags to put the thing in. So it's working fine. Working fine. I love it. Okay, what else I want to talk about? Okay, I went to my doctor's appointment today, and the doctor mainly wanted to know how that new pill is doing me. The one that I have to take a pill every day for 5 years for cancer prevention or whatever. I forgot the name of this pill. But at first I was getting kind of sleepy taking it, and it lasted maybe 10 days or so. But I haven't had any side effects. I'm doing fine. They did do a bone density test. I have no signs of osteoporosis or osteostemia. I don't know what that is, y'all. No softening of the bones, none of that. But I do have to take calcium and vitamin D. So I'm gonna have to take have a vitamin D blood test before I go back to my next doctor's appointment, which is in 3 months. I want to check my vitamin D levels. Okay. So I'm doing fine, and my blood pressure was good. Okay. Y'all know that Amber had graduated from nursing school, and she won't actually be a full RN until after she takes this NCLEX test next month sometime, I believe. So then she'll be a full RN. She's a nurse now, but not an RN yet. I'm telling folks she's an RN, but she's an RN. She's still an RN. But anyway, her birthday was a few days after her graduation. Her birthday is on May the 24th. And I had filmed her little birthday party and stuff. Just a little gathering at home, at my house. Her little cake and everything. I lost the footage. I don't know where it is. So I want to wish Amber a happy birthday on my video. Happy birthday, Amber. Happy birthday. And tomorrow is Angelique's birthday. We call her Genie. Their birthdays are a week apart. So her birthday is June the 1st. And she doesn't live, near us. And she calls, y'all sending cards? I said, girl, you ain't supposed to ask nobody if they're going to send you a birthday card. We always send you cards. You going to put something in it? I said, that's rude. And then she starts laughing. Yeah. Well, anyway, tomorrow is Genie's birthday. I want to wish Genie a happy birthday, Genie. Your crazy self. Happy birthday to Amber and Genie. Okay. And I have a graduation to go to tomorrow for 3 of my grandchildren. They go to the same school. They're all in 8th grade. So they'll be graduating from 8th grade, going into high school. So there's Khiayla, Jose, they're twins. And then there's Laila, they're cousins. So, and they were having 2 graduations, a morning graduation and the evening graduation, since there's so many kids graduating. So the mothers made sure that they were all graduating together. So they have enough invitations for family members to come. So I'm glad about that. Because they were going to split them up. One graduating in the morning, the other in the evening. No, that ain't going to work for us. So we're going to the evening graduation. Jose, Khiayla, and Laila. Congratulations, y'all. I'm proud of you. And I went to Aldi after my doctor's appointment earlier. went to Aldi, and I was going to buy some pot roast. I like chuck roast. You know, I like chuck roast. And I got to looking, and they were so expensive. A little bitty piece of pot roast. And then I saw some beef stew meat, cubed beef. I said, well, I'll get this and make some beef stew. Because that's all the pot roast was going to do anyway, once I put it in the crock pot or wherever I was going to cook it. I like to cook it way down to get it super tender. So, look for a video of me using my crock pot with the stew, making beef stew. I bought some fresh string beans. I'm going to throw them in there. I'm going to throw in some potatoes. Maybe some carrots. I don't know yet. You know, Walter don't like carrots. When I fix stuff like that, he pick everything else out and he leave them carrots in there. I like carrots. But anyway, I'll be making some beef stew in a crock pot so I don't heat up my house. So, what else? Oh, while I was in Aldi, there was this young mother, with a little baby girl. She looked to be about the same age as Makai. I don't think she was 2 quite yet. But she was talking a lot of jibber jabber. And her mama, she was acting like she was really interested and into what the baby was saying. And she was looking at her. She stopped. Yeah, girl. And then she did what? You know, like that. That was the cutest thing. It was funny, too. It was so cute. And the little girl, she was a cutie pie. But anyway, I want to thank you all for listening to me. Thanks for watching. Thank you, Nicole and Frances, for super thanks. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Give me a thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. And people keep watching one of my old air fried catfish videos, asking me about the cake that I showed at the way end of the video. I had a little chunk of cake left from a big old heart-shaped pound cake. So I put the link. I'm going to put the link to that video, the catfish video, the cake video, and my most watched chicken wing video in my description box under this video. Okay? So, check them out. Okay? Y'all be blessed. Bye. One more thing I forgot. And this thing's sitting right in my face. Okay, when my daughter was here and when my granddaughter was here, Khiayla, I was trying to charge my phone and it would not charge for nothing. And so my daughter, she took the case off and it charged. So I can't have that because this case is hard to get off of here. So what I did was I took some fingernail snips and I cut the case right there. So the charger cord, it fits in here, gets a good connection. Okay, that's all I want to tell you. If your phone ain't charging, maybe your case is blocking a good connection. Okay, so I just snip this little part used to come straight across. I just snip each side. All right, I'm gone for real now.